Hey, as we get older, there are a lot of assumptions about aging and cosmetic surgery, but not all of them are true. In this segment, sponsored by Gotham Plastic Surgery, Dr. Philip J. Miller is here to separate fact from fiction and clear up some of those misconceptions. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. How are you? Happy holidays.
I'm good. All right, so I'm going to list some myths, and you're going to tell me true or false.
You bet. Let's
okay,
go.
First myth, the more surgery you do, the more fake you're going to look.
Yeah, it's a very common misconception. In fact, fear of a lot of patients that the more they do, the more fake that they will look. And it's kind of like saying, well, I don't want to clean up this messy room because it's going to look different. Well, no, it's going to look better, right? If you start rearranging the furniture, if you start putting more furniture in, it'll look different. But you often need to do everything to sort of complete it, make it look the best.
I see. Okay, so that's a myth busted. What about aging is linear? It's kind of like a long decline. I've been hearing some things about this that maybe it's like in jumps.
Yeah, you know, you've got how many children? I remember
Five. So
five.
my jumps came early on.
Yeah. Okay. So how many times have you looked at your children and said, "Oh my Lord, I think you grew an inch last night"?
Yeah.
Right.
It goes by so fast.
Growth occurs in spurts and aging occurs in spurts, right? We don't we don't age linearly. And if you haven't, and I think you're too young, but one of these days you're going to find yourself looking in the mirror and going, "Oh my Lord, when did I age? When did I start looking like that?" Because it does happen very quickly in short spurts. Yeah.
And that's when people start looking for some of those
That's
solutions.
when they pick up the phone and they start giving us a call and saying, "Hey, I need some help."
There are things you can do preventatively so that you don't have that dramatic, dropped jaw in the mirror, though. What about we all age the same way?
Yeah, you know, aging signs are very predictable and we all know them, but we don't age the same way. A lot of it has to do with hereditary and lifestyle effects, sun exposure, what we eat, even how we sleep. You'll find that twin studies have demonstrated that they don't necessarily age if they're in different locations and have different environmental factors.
Oh, environmental factors. So my mama always says that living down here in South Louisiana, the humidity in the air keeps our skin looking nice. Is that true?
Well, there is a reason why us northern men had to head down south to get the Louisiana woman. I just want to say that.
I know, because you got yourself one.
I did. 3 weeks ago, we got married.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Yes.
A little personal note there.
Right.
All right, how about this one? If I do enough non-invasive treatments, I can avoid surgery.
Yeah. Okay, so look, you can take out the paint and you can sort of cover up those little scuff marks. Only so much before the just general wear and tear of the room requires the whole room to be painted over again, right?
Eventually the foundation's getting shaky.
Eventually you're gonna need to do the whole room over again and paint it. And so there's no doubt there's absolutely some benefit in doing these minor interventions. But at one point you really do need to take the jump, if you will. If
you want that certain
yes.
look. Okay, how about this one? The more I pay, the better quality or the better look I'm going to get in the end.
Yeah, you know, so many of these myths are related to not just facial plastic surgery, but to everything. Have you ever gone into a store and seen an item which kind of looks nice, and then you look at the bottom of it and go, "Oh my God, that's so expensive." And why is it? Because it's a luxury brand, right? There's nothing special about the actual product itself.
Sure.
And so you find that there are some practices have established themselves as luxury brands and charge an enormous amount of money, but their results really aren't any different than what can be achieved with someone who's in your local area. What matters is finding the right surgeon who can give you reliable and consistent results.
Perfect. Thank you so much, doctor, for clearing up all those myths. We appreciate it, and congratulations again on the new marriage.
Thank you.
Appreciate
Thank you.
it.